Hi, I'm Chloe. In this video, you'll find easy to follow instructions for assembling an Ergo Mix Match office chair by Pago. There are hundreds of other combinations you can mix and match to spice up your workspace. Every Ergo Mix Match chair combination consists of 3 boxes. Box 1 contains the back, Box 2 the seat, and Box 3 the base assembly. To start, lay out all the components. Included in the 3 boxes are back, seat attached to PostureSure 3-lever synchronized mechanism with ratchet back, gas lifter and cover, 5-star base, 5 casters. To start, flip the 5-star base upside down and insert the casters into the holes, pushing down firmly until they click. Turn the base upright and place the gas lifter in the center of the base. Insert base covers over the gas lifter. Now place the seat base and PostureSure 3-lever mechanism onto the gas lifter, then insert the back into the upright behind the seat. And there you have it, an Ergo Mix Match office chair by Pago. Thanks for watching and congratulations on a great new addition to your office.